Hi everyone, I'm Alex. Today I'm going to show you how we set up and tear down the Plexus demo kit here. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to pull the kit out of the case. I'm just going to undo all the latches. So we can take the top half and just pull it right out of the kit, and we'll set it aside for after. And we'll start by pulling off this top piece here that we can lay on the table just to use it to protect everything. And reach into the bottom and pull out the bottom half of our kit. Set it on the foam. Now there's a foam in the middle protecting the two pieces, so we can just pull that out and set it aside. And we just want to set the kit up and align all of our tabs into the notches on the back panel. So we just hold it together and let it just fall into place. Just like that. So we'll set that one aside. Now we can do the same thing for our other piece. So we'll just pull the Kiwi light that comes with the kit and just put it aside. Now we can reach in the front and just lift up. Pull the kit out on our foam. Again, pull the protecting foam out from between the two pieces. Set that aside. And align it just like the last one. And there we go. Okay, so now that we have the kit all set up, we can go ahead and connect the micronode and the C node together and power the unit on. So first thing we're going to do is connect the coax cable with the splice we have here. So we're just going to take the pin and insert it into the splice. Just keep a little bit of tension on the cable, and we're going to screw the end piece on by hand until it's snug. So just hand tighten it, and once that bottoms out, we can go ahead and tuck the cable underneath just to get it out of the way. Now that that's connected together, we can power the unit on with the extension cord. Very important that we connect that cable first before we power it on. So we'll go ahead and plug it into our power supply. Tuck that cable out of the way. While that's powering up, we can go ahead and connect the Zephyr to the PoE port on the C node now with an attached network cable. So I'm just going to go ahead and hook it up to port 1 on the C node. Lock it into place. And once this is all powered up, we're going to see a couple status lights. So if you look over at the micronode, we're going to see 2 green status lights on the front. We're also going to see the display of the Zephyr with a blue LED. And then on the C node, we'll see 2 more green status lights also, indicating that everything is powered on. So now, last step, we can take the PoE spotlight and just connect it to another port on the C node. So I'm just going to connect it into port 2 to power that on. And there we go. Once that's all powered on, now what we can do also is with the last port on the side of the micronode or the 2 remaining ports on the C node, you can connect the laptop and get onto the web pages for the Zephyr and the C node to show that on your laptop if you'd like. All right, so now we're ready to put the kit away. So first thing I'm going to do is disconnect the power. I'm just going to unplug our extension cord from the power supply. And then we're just going to reverse all the steps that we did to set it up when we're putting it away. So I'm just going to unplug the spotlight, set that aside. We'll unplug the Zephyr. Lift the panel up, get our coax cable and unscrew that. And we'll start by collapsing the front panel here. So turn it the opposite from before. So we'll just separate the 2 pieces, collapse it together, and we'll just lay it on the foam. I can take one of our foam pieces and just put that between the 2 panels just to protect everything. Lift up on the strings that hold the panel together. And just tuck everything away. So we'll screw the caps back on, Tuck in our coax cable here. Tuck in our Zephyr cable. And we'll drop this in the top foam that we removed from the case earlier. So I'll just put the top end in first. Just let it fall into place. Now that that's in there, we can go ahead and collapse the bottom piece. Just pull this over here. Lay it on our foam. Again, we're going to put our foam piece in the middle of the two panels again. We'll tuck away our cables neat so that we can fit it back into the demo kit. And this one will drop right into the bottom compartment. Front end first, and just let it fall into place. We'll go ahead and put our top piece back in. We'll get the top foam back in the lid. Put our PoE light away. And we can close everything up. And there we go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.